When you hit a certain age, you need to make sure you're taking good care of yourself. And one way to do that is to make sure you're scheduling an annual visit with your primary care physician. Our next guest specializes in senior care. We have Dr. Erica Savage-Jeter here with us from Partners in Primary Care. Dr. Jeter, always good to see you.
Always good to see you.
Merry almost Christmas and
Thank you.
happy
Merry
almost
Christmas.
New Year. And going into the new year, this is a great time to be reminding our seniors that it's important to make sure that they have a physician that they are checking up, making sure everything's okay. Before we get into that, let's talk about what Partners in Primary Care does.
Yes, so Partners in Primary Care is a collection of primary care facilities here in the upstate. We specialize in taking care and managing our seniors, making sure that we're promoting health and wellness.
And I think that's a good thing for everyone at every age, but especially when we talk about seniors. Whether you have a primary care physician or not, this is a great starting point for you to really focus in on what's going on with your body.
Yes, new year, new beginnings, new resolutions. So why not make your health a part of that as well? So it's a great opportunity to start looking at ourselves and trying to figure out how do we become healthier versions of ourselves.
Yeah, and you say it doesn't even matter if what your background is, what you've had problems with, what you say, oh, I'm fine.
Yeah.
You still need to go in and kind of get a basis.
Sure. So, when Partners in Primary Care, we're not just about treating illness, we're about promoting wellness. So we need to make sure we're getting regular surveillance checks, making sure that everything still looks good, all our labs are still normal, our blood sugars are good, our blood pressures are good, before we start having problems.
Right.
So it's all about prevention, and that's what we focus on. And so again, new year, new opportunity to make sure you get all those things checked and
it's
looked
like a
over.
car, making sure that every piece of it is all right before you go and something happens. So,
right.
Let's say I already have a primary care physician and I'm thinking about coming to you guys. Do I need to make sure that my records are transferred to you so that you as a doctor know all the things that are going on with that patient?
So at Partners in Primary Care, we have a team of people that will help and assist with that. We have several locations now here in the upstate. Find one that's closest to you, come into our center, and let us know that you want to be a patient of ours, and we will help navigate and manage all of that. So you don't have to worry about getting your records or anything like that. Just come into our center, say, hey guys, I want to be a patient here, and we will help orchestrate all of that.
And what I love about you guys too, with all the locations, you're convenient to a lot of folks. Tell us where we can come and see you.
So yes, we want to be in places where seniors access. So we have a center now in Spartanburg. We have a center here in Greenville at Orchard Park Drive, center in Greer on Wade Hampton Boulevard, a center in Powdersville on Highway 153. We have 2 locations in Anderson now on East Greenville Street and in the Homeland Park area. We have a center now in Seneca as well.
You guys really are everywhere.
We're growing, and we're really trying to touch all the seniors in the community because we really feel like it's a need. There's a need, and we want to fulfill that need for our seniors.
And one of the interesting things about it too, yes, you guys are really intentional about physical health, but then the emotional and the social side of that for seniors is ultimate as well.
Because it plays directly into every aspect of health. So again, we have programs and we have things designed in our center with our team members to address things like that. So, we're just not looking at the medical, we're looking at the whole patient, holistic. Again, all these things factor into someone's health, and we want to make sure that we're helping people overcome, if there's any barriers to them being healthy, we want to help them overcome those.
So if you've been reluctant about making that call and getting that checkup, now is the time.
Now is the time. We're accepting new patients in all of our centers. We are getting our patients their annual wellness visits starting January 2020, and we're excited about the work that we're doing, and we want to really touch as many seniors as possible.
And we appreciate you for all the work that you guys do. They can always go onto your website to see the location that's closest to them.
And don't feel like you have to have an appointment to come into our centers. You can come into our center, you can tour, you can meet our folks in our centers, our physicians, our whole care team. You don't have to feel like you have to have an appointment to do that.
Just make the call.
Just make the call.
Thank you so much. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Caring for our seniors and making sure they're healthy and well going into 2020. Again, Partners in Primary Care. Thank you.
Thank you.